traveling man, moving through places, space and time. Got a lot of things I got to do. God willing, I'm coming back to you, baby boo. I'm a traveling man, moving through places, space and time. Got a lot of things I got to do. God willing, I'm coming back to you, baby boo. I'm leaving. Go ahead and leave the call heard around the world from the wise of MCs. These cats is paying more than half a pound. I'm going back and snatch it down. I got to skate, but we can probably run them back in town. Scenarios like this is tear jerkers for the modern MC. I eat a blue collar worker, cause this thing called rhyming, no different from coal mining. We both on assignment to unearth the diamond. When you start climbing and them eyes start shining, you be struggling and striving and they think you prime time and maintain and keep silent. Make note and observation. It's confrontation. This is the daily operation. My concentration. Stay focused on my recitation. About to reach my destination with no pause or hesitation. Baby, make the preparation, cause this ain't no recreation. This is pro ball, and we letting you know, y'all. Show y'all.
Guess what? Mr. Bass Science topped himself again in the name of Bass Science. Tropics All Day Experiment. Guess where we are? Look at these waters. These waters are pristine. Look at the vibe. Can you feel the vibe? This vibe is relaxed, aka chill, aka no stress anywhere to be found. I cannot sense no stress. Guess what that means? This might be the ultimate place. The nature checked. Tropical sunlight checked. It's in part of the nature, but we're kinda going along what the pristine, beautiful nature includes. Pristine, did I already say pristine, crystal clear waters. We can just pick coral reefs out of here. We can see dolphins or whatever. Man, dolphin meat should be good. But yeah, pristine waters, check. Man-made, non-native EMFs, 5G towers. Nowhere to be found. Nah, nah, nah. Chemtrails. Do you see any chemtrails? What are those? Are those natural clouds and blue skies amidst of the tropical sunlight? Checked. What? I cannot sense. The peace within me is unparalleled. I have felt this feeling only a few times in my life. Look at this fish. Only a few times in my life I have felt this peace. Because, yes, there is no electricity. The electricity is turned off from 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. Half a day without electricity. Yes! Yes! That's why the peace within me is so strong. The life force. Oh, the life force. It is so strong right now. It is so strong. Other people, nowhere to be found. You can have your private beach to do a junk maintenance. What? Did I say already pristine waters? With bunch of freaking fishy fish full of DHA? And no way. They got lobsters over here. One of the most delicious, ultimate seafoods. Unlimited lobsters. We about to DHA up like a motherfucker. Tropical sunlight, pristine waters, probably a little bit of volcanism as well. They got those volcanic rocks over here with unlimited high quality, cheap abundance of seafood. All the fishy fish, freaking shrimp, freaking cheap lobsters. No electricity half a day. Did I mention the tropical sunlight? In December, it's freaking beaming. And it's like 8 a.m. or whatever. I guess what? Huh? The air? The air. I have not breathed in air this pure. Probably ever. There's no cars. No mopeds. Motorcycles. None of that shit on the island. Is this the Garden of Eden? Is this the real paradise? It looks like it. It feels like it. My God. This might be the place. The ultimate place. If you have lost the spark of life in you, if you feel like the life force within you is being sucked out with rates never seen before, because this world has never been as toxic as it is in 2025. Coming hot into 2026 soon. And the world is completely fucked. And most people can feel the effects in themselves. Diseases, illnesses, sky high, especially after 2020. People are riding in the struggle bus, suffering. Everything's upside down. But maybe a playing together way where you can live like a freaking king on this earth for $1,000 bills a day. You can eat lobster every single day on that price. You can freaking be naked on these beaches in the tropical sunlight for that price. $1,000 bills a day. You can probably even pull it off cheaper. And you can experience what really being a human being is all about. Especially if you find a special someone here. There's a chance. Definitely a chance for that. Then it's on like Donkey Kong. Then you freaking smoking on that nitroglycerine or whatever. You're living life on full gas. But even without that love, you just searching over here for that. Even then, this is better than 99.9% of the places on this earth right now, probably. Fuck yeah. Welcome to Little Corn Island. And the Big Corn Island, it's over there. But Little Corn Island. No cars. No electricity even for half a day. No one single 5G tower is to be found here. Cheap, DHA full seafood. Fucking unreal diving, snorkeling, if you into that. Coconuts, jungle, peacefulness, like you have not felt. Well, most people never in their life these days. Mr. Base Science does it again. In the name of science, what's the word? I start the little corn island Tropics All Day Science Experiment. This about to be good as fuck. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.